guys, welcome to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Alex. Today I want to show you guys these new tumblers. We have 30 ounce and 20 ounce tumblers, and these three ones on my right side are for sublimation printing, and these colorful ones here are for laser engraving. They are the powder coated tumblers. And all of the tumblers here are made of double wood stainless steel, so they are perfect for both iced drinks and hot drinks. They can keep the drinks inside at the best temperature for longer. And you can use the tumblers in two ways because of the special 2-in-1 tumbler lids. The lid has a sipping hole and a straw hole, so you can take a sip directly, or you can drink with a straw. And the tumblers have these very beautiful ring neck patterns on the bottom, which is very stylish and very special. And the bottom is narrower and smaller, so you can hold the tumbler easily or just put it in the cup holder of your car. They can fit in most cup holders, and you don't have to worry the drink inside will spill out. It won't happen because the lid is splash proof. You can see the lid has two little covers to seal the sipping hole and the straw hole, and it has this silicone ring to prevent leakage, so the spill out accident won't happen. And next, I'm going to show you how to print this 20-ounce tumbler with handle using our tumbler heat press. So please keep watching.